What is a RESTful API?
RESTful API stands for Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface. It's a popular way for different software programs to communicate over the internet. RESTful APIs use standard web methods so that applications written in any language can work together easily. Let's break down what makes RESTful APIs simple and essential for modern software development.
How RESTful APIs work.
A RESTful API works by receiving requests, like asking for information or sending new data, using HTTP, the same system that powers websites. For example, when you check the weather in an app, that app sends a request to a RESTful API, which responds with up-to-date information. This approach helps different systems share data quickly and reliably.
Key features of RESTful APIs.
RESTful APIs follow a few simple rules. They use standard HTTP methods like GET, POST, PUT, and DELETE. They organize resources in a predictable way using URLs. And they send data in common formats like JSON. This makes them easy to understand, test, and use, both for computers and for people building software.
Why RESTful APIs matter.
RESTful APIs are important because they let different applications and devices work together. They are the backbone that connects web apps, mobile apps, and even smart devices. By following a shared set of rules, developers save time, reduce errors, and make systems more flexible and scalable.
RESTful APIs in everyday life.
Whenever you use a smartphone app to check the news, shop online, or share photos, you're likely using a RESTful API. Behind every action, there's an exchange of data between your device and a remote server, made possible by REST principles. Understanding RESTful APIs opens the door to many opportunities in coding and software development.